Create a new file and select the location. Choose the type of module and inverter to use, selecting them from the archive. Use the filter functions to speed up selection. Acquire the elements and transfer them to the document archive. View the module and inverter in the document archive. Assign a drawing, the generator, and proceed with the assisted design tool. Now locate your installation area and proceed to compatible inverter selection. Select the module present in the document archive. Check the compatibility rating. Edit the electrical parameters or check the boundary conditions. If the inverter remains in error, simply proceed to the Custom Inverter section. Check to see which electrical parameters are causing incompatibility issues. Set to manual to see the results. Now set to automatic configuration to get the number of precise modules for compatibility. Or access the archive again to see which inverters are compatible with the current system layout. Change the inverter model and select the most appropriate combination.